Hi everyone, today we're celebrating Wheels and Wings. We're at the Cape Cod Airfield and we're celebrating their Wheels and Wings open house, so come on along.
Fun. Perfect day for it.
Perfect day. Hello. How you guys doing today? We're from Cape Cod and beyond. We're just saying hi to everybody.
Hi there.
I'm going to take a walk down this line.
Or not. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, take me up. I think that was Chris. Yeah.
Anyway, Carson, this is yours or is the next one?
this your aircraft? Is this yours?
It is. Yes, sir.
Could I ask you a little bit about it, or could you share it with me?
Sure.
Okay, well, my name's Alan. I'm from Cape Cod and Beyond. We have a YouTube channel,
Okay.
and this plane really intrigues me.
Well,
Could you tell me a little bit about it, please?
it is a 1946 Aeronca Champ. Was refurbished in 2008 in Maine. I've owned it for 2 years now, a year of which I stared at it in in a hangar because I was doing my flight training, so couldn't actually fly it. I got to stare at it as my motivation. Got my license in July of this year and have been enjoying the heck out of it.
Fabulous. I mean, what a beautiful airplane. Wonderful job.
Thank you very much.
The
John.
detail on this plane is really spectacular.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
As we wrap up this incredible 95th anniversary celebration of the Wheels and Wings coverage, we want to take a moment to express our heartfelt thanks to the Sidowitz family, organizers, volunteers, and everyone who worked tirelessly behind the scenes. Thank you for your dedication and hard work in making this event a reality. Your passion and efforts are what keep this tradition alive and thriving.
We also want to extend a huge thank you to all the participants, our amazing car and aircraft enthusiasts for bringing your stunning vehicles and sharing your stories. Your presence and contributions have made this day unforgettable.
And last but certainly not least, to everyone who came out to enjoy the special event, your enthusiasm and support are what make these gatherings so special.
We look forward to celebrating with you again in the future. Until then, safe travels and blue skies ahead.